Here's a pair of Bose Solo 3 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer 4K Xumo Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on the TV. Okay, so you can click on your gear icon, the settings button on your remote right here, or you can just navigate, press on the home button. Top left hand side is that gear icon, just go all the way up, click right there. And then we want to go down. Now, if you have Bluetooth devices right there, you can click on that. If not, just go down to picture and sound right there. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go down to audio settings right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices right there. And now it's searching for available devices that are in pairing mode. So now we need to go ahead and grab our headphones here. And you got a one button right here. I'm going to put this on until it's in pairing mode. I'm going to press and hold until it's blinking. All the lights are blinking there. And now it pops up on my screen here. Beats Solo 3. And I'm going to move over to the right. I'm going to click on pair. And we're going to wait for this to connect here. And it says connected. So you can see it says connected there. So I'm connected, and then you can increase or decrease the volume. You can see right there, right from the headphones. Now, if you had issues where problems connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these. If you have issues connecting or pairing, look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these. Anyway, the audio and everything is coming out of here. Now I can watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot, all right?